Let's talk about sales coaching. Hi, I'm Gert from the Best Sales Coach. Now, as a sales leader, you know the importance of sales coaching versus training. Training is about theory, coaching is making use of the work situation to develop an individual. I use a coaching model called the G.R.O.W model. The G.R.O.W model is a tested method that takes you in a systematic way through the coaching process. So let's have a look. The G stands for goals. These were the goals that were agreed between you and the salesperson to achieve over a certain period. They can be activity goals, but they can also be outcome goals, as in revenue or number of sales. So when you start coaching, remind each other of the goals that were agreed at the start of the period. After the G, we get the R. And the R is about reality. Where are we compared to where we said we were going to be? In other words, what is our progress against the goals? It's important for both you and the salesperson to have agreement on that. Where are we right now compared to where we want to be? Then the O. Now the O is about options. What options have we got available between us to take us from where we are now to the goal? Perhaps we are a bit behind. Perhaps we're ahead. What are the options we've got to move forward? And that is where the W comes into it. The way forward. What do you and the salesperson agree between you as the way forward and the actions to be reviewed at our next coaching meeting? I also recommend that after the coaching session, you capture the key points in an email and send it to your salesperson. That way, you got something to refer to when you meet the next time. Good luck.